going to show you how I've been making masks with my family at home. To start, you're going to need to look up mask patterns. I just Googled it online and these came up and I printed them and you can cut them out. So after you've sewn this inner curve, you can take your scissors and cut it off from your machine and take your pins out. And then you're gonna take the open side and flip it color side up so that the color of your fabric is facing outwards, like this. So now that you've finished the outside layer of your mask, you're going to move on to the other layers, which is the lining and the inner side of the mask that actually touches your face. Since they're already pinned, you're just going to do the same thing and sew this big curve. So you're going to take out your pins now that you've finished sewing, and just like before, you're going to open it like a book and flip it outwards. So the inside is the color that will touch your face, and this is the middle layer, the lining.